Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So you guys, for today's video, I am bringing you just good stuff on my face. I'm gonna be unbagging my Yes Oh Yes October bag. If you guys never heard of Yes Oh Yes, you should check them out. They are a makeup subscription. You pay $14.99, I believe. Yes, $14.99 a month. Plus shipping. It's not free shipping, but it's only $14.99, and they do ship out 3 to 7 full-size products. I've received maybe, let's just say, 3 bags from them, and I got 5 products, so it's pretty cool. And most of the bags that you get exceeds the price that you pay. I love my full-size products. I feel like I don't have to really buy a lot of makeup anymore. I haven't really bought anything unless it's like something that's really hyped up and it's something that I really want, then I will purchase it. But palettes, bronzer, highlighters, brushes, you get brushes too. I just get so excited when I do my unboxing and, you know, trying on new products for you guys, maybe products that you guys never heard of or products that I've never heard of. Hope you guys are sticking around. Hope you guys are sharing these videos, subscribing, and hitting like and all that good stuff, because I really do appreciate it so much. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Yes Oh Yes October bag, and you guys want to see how I created this eyes right here, this situation right here, then just keep on watching. So you guys, you will get all your Yes Oh Yes products in this bag right here, and their theme for this month is resting, which guys is really cute. And at the back it shows you all the pricings of the products. It doesn't give you details about the products, but it does give you the pricing. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the palette that came in our bag this month. So this palette is from IBY Beauty. This is the Zero Limits palette, and at the back it has the shades and ingredients. Yes, it's at the back. So this palette does have a mirror. So you guys, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I love the color selection that they picked for this palette. I really am drawn to this color right here. I also love this one too. So I don't know, we'll swatch 2 mattes and 2 shimmer. So you guys, these are some of the shades in the palette. It's really beautiful. This one right here is Backstage. I really like this color a lot. And then this one is Silent Disco. And then this is definitely my go-to fall look for sure, fall color. And then this one right here is Dance Party, and this one is Drop Base. So these are the colors. I really don't know what I want to create for you guys, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lid real quick, put some tape on the edge so we can do a wing liner, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about all these products at the end. I just want to create the look for you guys and show you the products, and then we'll talk about it. So you guys want to start with this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that all over my crease. The shadows, guys, are so easy to work with. And then we're gonna go down right here. This is Playlist. We're gonna apply that onto our crease as well. My lids are really dry at the moment, so I'm also applying this pretty high up. I want this shade to peek through when we are done with our shadows. And I'm gonna take this one right here, VIP, doing the same thing, you guys. I think we're gonna do a full-on cut crease. The last shade that we're going to put on our crease is this one right here. This one is Silent Disco. I swatched this one for you guys. You guys know I like my outer V and also my crease to be a little darker. I just feel like it really defines my lid. So I'm taking a smaller brush and we're just going to define our crease even more. I feel like you can do all the steps that I just did and then put this all over your lid and a wing liner. You're good to go. That would be a great fall look. But I want to try to use as many colors as I can in this palette. So guys, I don't think my cut crease is even, but it's okay, we're moving on. So I really don't know what I want to do. I think I want to put this one right here on the lower, just smoke it out, pop a color. So I'm going to take Light Show, this one right here for the outer, and then drop base for the inner part, and maybe like in the very beginning of the lid, we'll put that one. Or maybe this one first, this one, and that one. We'll see what it takes us, but those are the 3 shades that I want to use. I think that's good. And then we're gonna take Fire Ice. This one right here, we're gonna put that in the middle. Yes, I think it's just a good shade to blend that darker shade right here, kind of blending into each other. It's just this one, it reflects a different color. So you guys, I originally put this one on the corner right here, but I just didn't like how it turned out, so I cleaned it up, and we are gonna go ahead and go with Nightfall. I think this is a better choice for the inner corner, just to open up our eyes. So I'm gonna take this one and we're gonna apply it on the inner corner. So you guys, I went a little crazy, so this happened. I just went ahead and used concealer to just clean up the cut crease, and I added the same shade that I applied here onto the negative space that I cleaned. So I know it looks crazy right now, but when you add the lashes and the wing liner, I promise it will come together. So you guys, I went ahead and finished up the eyes. On the lower, I just used the blue one, which is Backstage. I really wanted to use this shade right here, so I just put that all over the lash line, and I blended with VIP. I used Playlist and a little bit of this one right here, so I blend all that with the lower too. So I really like how it turned out. I also finished up the face. I just did my foundation, my bronzer, let's see, my blush, and I stopped right there because there's another product in our bag that is eyeshadow. This one, it says Lighten Up. This is from Mirabella, so it comes in this little packaging right here. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. So it's like, it's gel. It's really or mousse, not gel. It's like mousse-like consistency. There, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, yes you can. So I'm gonna apply this to my inner. I need to use this. And you guys, I'm gonna tap my finger into the jar, and we're gonna use this and apply it to our highlight area. So you guys, I took this one right here, which is Nightfall. Is it Nightfall? Yes, Nightfall, and I used that on the brow bone. And I'm also going to intensify my highlight even more. And that one, whoa. Whoa. The combo of that eyeshadow and this is wow. So you guys, there is a lipstick in this bag, but I don't think it will match our eyes, but we're going to use it anyways because I'm going to show you, because this thing is so cool, because I looked into this bag already. This is from the company STIKS, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's really, really simple and cute. Wow, right? It is so cool. I don't know, it just reminds me of a lighter. You know, those little metal lighter. I don't know why, but this is what it looks like. It's so cool, you guys. It says from STIKS Cosmetics. This is in the shade Tangerine. Sorry, I had to run downstairs. But look at that, you guys. Look at that, you guys. I don't know what. Oh, what? So what is this? So you twist it and more lipstick comes out. How cool is this concept, you guys? So you guys, this is what it looks like. It matches our nails. I think it'll be okay on the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. It's kinda, like, I don't know how to, okay, we're just gonna go for it. Yeah, this thing right here is kinda in the way. Like, I can't really see what I'm doing. It's definitely sheer because I can still see my my lips peeking through, but I'm sure you can layer this. So guys, moving on to the next two things in the bag this month. So the next one is this brush right here. This is a brow, it says brow lash brush. This is from the company Skone. I do love their brushes, but I probably won't be using this, so this is gonna go in my little giveaway bin. And then the next one in the bag is this nail polish right here. This is from NCLA Los Angeles. This is I've Been Drinking, and I do have it on my fingernails because I wanted to show you guys the color. I think this would be amazing for the summer, for spring. It's really bright and bold, and like, look at my nails type of color, but I really like it. I had to layer it a few times to get the coverage that I wanted on the fingernails, but I do love the color. Perfect match with our lips. So you guys, that's everything in the bag for this month. So let me tell you guys the prices. I don't think I told you the prices and how I feel about them. So let's talk about the lipstick. The lipstick retails for $20, you guys. I think we are paying for the packaging of it, because the packaging is quite amazing. It is really cool. I'm not crazy about that, like, application wise, because this thing right here gets on the weight, and it's just the shape of it, I think, because I'm not used to this type of shape, so it was kind of hard to maneuver. And the next one is the NCLA Beauty Nail Lacquers. This retails for $18. No complaint. I mean, it takes a few layers to cover your nails, but not complaining. I'm not really big on nail polish. Well, I am now, but I do like my nude or just dark or red. Those are my go-to nail polish, but good to have. And then the next one is, which one is this one? This one is the Mirabella Visionary Longwear Eyeshadow. This is $30, you guys. I really do love the consistency. I love the whole mousse feel to it. It's really cool. You guys, I use it as a highlighter rather than an eyeshadow. I cannot wait to use this as an eyeshadow, because look at that. Look at that. Definitely gonna go right here, so I can reach for it a lot, because I really love the consistency. I love the shine that it gives on our cheeks. I'm probably just gonna use that for highlighter, to be honest. So that one is $30. So this one is the Code Cosmetics Luxe Pro. This is the Skone Cosmetics Luxe Pro Brush, and this thing is $20. I don't think I would pay $20 for this, just to be honest. Don't come for me, but this is $20. You can buy a whole set of makeup brushes for $20. Okay, and then the last one is our palette. So this one is from IBY Cosmetics. This is their City Limits palette. This is $28. This alone right here is worth it, you guys. I love IBY Cosmetics. I have 3 of their palettes. I thought I had 2, but I have 3 of them, and they all work wonderful. They all worked really good. Pigments, application, blendability, all the good stuff, it is there. So this is $28. Definitely check them out. And the total value of our bag this month is $116. And yeah, I think it's worth it. I really do. I love my subscription. I know I say that all the time, but I do love getting my full-size products. If you have any question, if you guys want to say anything to me, let me know. Leave it down in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging tutorial, try on review. I hope you guys enjoy it. You'll be seeing a lot more of this type of videos here on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.